Your next step. Welcome to the 5th Learning Unit. Learning Unit 5, Substance Abuse. This unit will help you understand substance abuse in relation to mental health. This unit has 5 desired outcomes. 1. To explain the concept of substance abuse. 2. To describe possible struggles and mental health issues among students with substance abuse. 3. To provide examples of supportive school environment for students with substance abuse. 4. To describe how substance abuse disadvantages influence the process of learning and provide with examples of promoting learning. 5. To apprehend teachers' position and introduce practices that enhance well-being of students with substance abuse. As always, take your time going through the unit, don't get overwhelmed. Enjoy the course. For more information about the project, www.AHEADinVET.com.